Gum recession. What is a gum recession? Migration to the root of the gum, unveiling, followed by exposure of the root on a single side or a turn around the tooth, giving the appearance of a tooth that is too long. Causes: aggressive brushing that constantly injures the gums. The presence of tartar that pushes the gum to the base of the tooth. The presence of a piercing causes recession in the area of contact of the piercing with the gum. A certain genetic predisposition, for example the presence of a type of thin gum. Evolution. Revealed root areas become very sensitive, generating tooth sensitivity. By exposing the root there is a risk of wear, increasing sensitivity and increasing the risk of caries. Acidic foods also cause pain and erosion, accentuating the pain. And last but not least, the aesthetic alteration of the tooth. Treatment. Adaptation of the brushing technique and the type of brush used. Application of desensitizing products to reduce sensitivity. Reduce the contact time of acidic foods or beverages with teeth. Cover if possible by surgical techniques.